Did we already try these?
No, do something different.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna like these.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Down here again, and have the pleasure of, even though it's cold weather, this is something cold, and it's a pineapple kind of frozen fruit bar, and it looks like it's, you know, they use a lot of the real fruit and everything, and there's a bunch of zeros here, and so it's kind of healthy, and got a few carbs and no protein. And then let's see, for the vitamins, those 4 vitamins, it's got only thing it does have is potassium, some potassium, but the other ones, and actually they're all zeros there too. So it doesn't have some of the good things, and it doesn't have some of the bad things. And I know I'm gonna love these because one of my favorite flavors. Now, the thing is, and it's going to be a little bit gooey, because I can feel how gooey it's going to be. And there. And you can see all the ice and everything on it, and you can see that it's not going to stand up by itself. It's a little bit wobbly. And so, you just see, maybe I'll be able to. Yeah, I could bite into it right away. Strong pineapple taste, and so I don't know how long these would last if they were in my possession, but this is it. These are for me, and let's see what it says here. No. What does that say there? No what? I think there's something bad that it says there's none of it in there. That little red dot there.
No artificial flavors, no high fructose corn syrup.
Those are 2 good things not to have. And so.
And then no synthetic colors.
3 good things not to have. So, plain English, I recommend these. I love them. Adios. And for another item, you can eat it right away. Not like most frozen bars. You can start on it right away.